So the last part of Unit 1, Activity 3, where we are looking at graphic text, you are now going to write another information paragraph. So you are taking what you did from your graphic organizer and you are going to write an information paragraph about that infographic. So this is similar to what you did with Jot Notes, where you returned back to the original assignment. So I've opened this up. It's up here. Make sure, you follow the normal directions. You have chosen one of these two infographics from your earlier assignment, which was over here. You have tried to figure out what the main idea is. You have pulled out specific supporting details from the graphic organizer to help you out. You also have maybe taken part in the discussion. Coming back to it now, I think these are really good points for supporting pieces of evidence here, like maybe having the infographic having a large number of different labels could be one of your pieces, and then you give the examples. So this part will help as well. And then what are you going to do? So you're going to copy and paste the work that you've done here. Control C, Control V over to here. You're going to pop that in. This links over to that too, so that you don't get mixed around. And then what are you going to do? So you are writing me an information paragraph. So you are using the ideas from your graphic organizers and the checklist below, because I've created this template. And then you are going to write an information paragraph that communicates the main idea and supporting details from the infographic that you chose to read. So what are some things? Have you taken notes that have been grouped together? You are going to highlight these once you've done it. If you have copy and pasted your organizer here, then you have completed that part of the task. Have you figured out the main idea? Have you, once you're down here, will you have written your paragraph in complete sentences? Do you have a topic sentence that clearly states the main idea? So I have helped on here to get you sort of started. So the main idea of it should be infographic. So you'll notice little things like that. Or you could just put graphic organizer. So you'll notice little things like that in my templates. If I don't get a chance to catch them when I'm doing the instructional videos, just edit those yourselves. So have you given the 3 to 5 supporting details? Have you put them in the best order? So think about the order that you would present them to me. And have you summarized your main idea with a concluding sentence? So did you return? Actually, maybe I will insert below and I will put concluding sentence. That really shouldn't happen in your original, but at least it gets you thinking before you get here. So that's okay. So you can have your concluding sentence. Linking words. I know I've got some documents about transition words. So I'm going to do a look for that, and I might link those right in the instruction part. I'll probably put a link here to a document that has nice transition words, just to help you sort of make your writing a little bit more interesting when you're connecting the ideas. And then, did you give it a title? So think about what you would title the information paragraph. So the point is to convey the information that was in the infographic. And have you done that clearly here in full sentences? Did you keep your language formal? Did you check for capitals? Did you check for periods? Remember one thing that happens a lot. I am like the queen of run-on sentences. So I know that when I write an essay, I have to reread everything to make sure that I haven't got run on sentences. So, my trick for that is I actually will read my work back out loud. And when you read it back out loud, you tend to find the natural pauses in your work. So that's what you're going to be looking for. Where are those natural pauses where I need to take a break and start another sentence as well? So that is what you are doing for Unit 1, Activity 3. And once you have finished that, there will be a assignment Dropbox that is of the same name, and the rubric will include these pieces. Okay, so good luck with that one. Remember, if you are struggling, on the homepage of the course, you can email me, you can send me a message via the class list, you can share your link to your document with me, and we can work live on stuff like this during the day. So don't let yourself get to a point where you're struggling. That's the point of the literacy course, is for us to go and sort of work through some of these editing pieces. So reach out.